Welcome over to the next series in our lesson HTML and CSS. This time around, we're going to be focusing on images in HTML. Images and pictures are a huge part of the web today because just imagine browsing a website with no picture, no image, no clip, no photo. It's going to look really boring, right? So one thing about images is that they catch user attention. And like there's a saying that says, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So in order to convey your content in a captivating way to your users, it's best to put appropriate images on your website. Image tag, as seen on your screen, is one of those tags in HTML that doesn't require a closing tag. The image tag is an empty tag and it contains attributes only. That is why it does not require the closing end of it. Now let's turn our attention to our code editor to quickly demonstrate or put into action the image tag. So as usual, we're not going to start all the way from scratch. We're going to continue with content we had before. Now the image tag is designated img. The image tag basically contains an attribute. The key attribute of the image tag is the source attribute. Source represented by RC here. The source attribute gives us the avenue for us to key in the path or the location or source of the image we're about to display on the web page. Alright then, let's go get or grab an image from the internet itself. Let's go over to, there are a couple of free websites on the internet where you can get whatever image or picture you're looking for. Okay, one of them is pexels.com. Pexels, pexels.com. All right, in pexels.com you can get free stock high resolution clear crisp images you can incorporate into your website to get user attention. All right, let's just pick any image. Okay, let's go with this Prada designer image. Now we need to pick the source where this image is located, and we can get that by right clicking on the image and then scrolling down to click on copy image link. Right here you click to copy the image link. You now go to your code editor, and on the source attribute value field that is empty, what we have there is just two quotation marks, the quotation marks and the flashing cursor. Where the cursor is flashing right there, we now Control V to paste the source or location of the image. Now let's save and go refresh our web page and see if the picture gets displayed on the web page. Yeah, that is the Prada designer photo on our website. So now our website has content, heading, paragraph, it has a link, and it has an image. Okay, so this is how we incorporate images into our websites. Right. As a means of repetition for emphasis, let's just take one more instance of how we add an image to a web page. Let's say I want to add an image at this point right here. Okay, let me make space for that. Key in our image tag img. The image tag has one focal attribute, which is the source attribute. Remember, in the source attribute blank field, that is where we'll put the file path that locates to the source of the image, where the flashing cursor is between the double quotes. Okay, let's go over to websites and pick an image, a photo website. Okay, let's use the image of this dog right here. Right click on the image and click on copy image link. All right, we go over to our code editor and paste. Right click and paste the image link. Having saved, go back to our browser on our web page. Right now there is no image of any dog, but let's refresh. Good. That is the image of the dog right there. It's quite big. So it's as simple as that, how we can add images to our web page. Hope we're getting the point.